Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix no sound issues on your Nintendo Switch 2. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a Nintendo Switch 2 and you're looking to fix why is there no sound coming out. Well, we have a variety of different options. The first thing that you can do is that you can press and hold the power button, and then you want to wait until the drop-down menu appears. And let's give it a simple restart, okay? So what we're going to do is that we're going to restart our Nintendo Switch 2 to see if that fixes any issues when it comes to sound problems. So give it a couple seconds to actually go ahead and load up. And so once it's loaded up, as obvious as it sounds, you want to now see if there's sound playing. So if your issue is still not working, the next thing that we're going to do is that we're going to go into system settings, and we're going to start playing around with different audio output sources. The first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to click on Bluetooth audio. And for some reason, maybe your Switch 2 is connected to a Bluetooth device that you've connected before. Maybe your AirPods are automatically connecting. So if this is the case, what you're going to see is that you're going to see a list of Bluetooth devices here, and there should be a blue check mark if it's emitting sound from that device. So if you want to go ahead and forget that device, just click on that device and then click on Remove Device. Then click on, if you're by chance connected to a Bluetooth audio and you unpair from that device, go ahead and check and see if there's sound coming from your Nintendo Switch 2, and that should resolve the issue. Other things that you can do is that if you scroll down and then go into audio, you can start playing around with other audio outputs as well. So if you click on audio output source, this should be set to automatic. You can just select system speakers. But if for some reason you see another audio output source, you can play around with it, but also set it to the correct sound which you want to go ahead and hear sound from. Likewise, with TV sound, if your Nintendo Switch 2 is connected to your TV and you don't hear any sound, click on this option here and then play around with the different sound outputs. It should be your TV sound, but maybe you want it coming from a soundbar, but your soundbar is not working. So at that point, you're basically diagnosing the problem in which your soundbar is the problem and not necessarily your Nintendo Switch. So play around with this just because these two audio output sources are a good way to kind of diagnose where sound should be coming from, depending on whether or not you're using your Nintendo Switch 2 as the display, or if you're using a TV as a display. But with that being said, guys, that's pretty much it when it comes to all the different ways to go ahead and fix no sound issues on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.